Welcome back. Green on the screen. The Nifty continues to hold above 100 points. But let's focus on a couple of stocks in the broader markets. Graphite electrode maker HEG acquired 8% stake in listed competitor GrafTech yesterday for around 250 crores. To understand about the rationale, we have with us Mr. Manish Gulati, the Executive Director at HEG. Hi, Mr. Gulati. Good morning and always good to have you in, sir. Give us the rationale. Why did you all go ahead and spend this 250 crores to buy 8% stake in a larger competitor globally?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. Good to be on your channel. You see, when we started buying these shares, this company called GrafTech, the market cap was around 230 to 40 million US dollars. And as you have seen, HEG market cap has been about $1 billion. So here we had a company which has 1.8 times our capacity, and to add to that, the only backward integrated graphite manufacturer in the world with their own needle coke. So we thought that at this value, I mean, this is a very good buy. So as our treasury operation, we thought that we will invest in this company. So we started buying their shares for the last 6 months, and today we are at 8.23% stake with them.
When you started buying,
our average buying was $1.41 to a share.
Right. When you started buying, you said the market cap was closer to $250 million. Now it's around $416 million. So obviously your treasury department took the right call, made a fair amount of money as well. But your shareholders here want to know, will you buy even more from here? 8.23% is what you have. The market cap has increased by about 70-80% from the time you started buying. Are you looking to buy even more at current levels?
Right now at 8.23, we are sticking to that, but yeah, future is open. We can buy more. We can take a call internally. Depends on what price is there in the market. But so far we are at 8.23. But it's open. We can.
Manish, today you're putting your analyst hat on. With regard to market cap and capacities. So we get that. But normally we look at the EV, right, of a company. This company that you acquired, GrafTech, it's only around, $500 million of market cap or less than that. But does it have a big debt in its book?
Yeah, it has a debt. There's a one-shot payment of 950 million, which they have to pay in the year of 2028. But you see, that is quite a way off. And by that time, we are definitely expecting an upturn in the market.
Okay.
I mean, it's the fundamentals hold good, Nigel. That 100 million tons of electric arc furnace is coming, out of which 60 million tons comes in next 2 years. So we are forcing a good demand for this product, and that is the rationale why we invested in this company, which, as I said, is the only backward integrated graphite producer in the world with their own needle coke. So when the markets get hot, the needle coke gets scarce.
Just to understand, $950 million is what they have to pay in the next year, or that is the total debt in its book?
That's the total long-term debt, and they have to pay in single shot in 2028. Yeah.
Got it. Well, just a counter question. Why didn't you do a buyback and directly reward your shareholders over here instead of getting into all this treasury and doing an analysis of what's going on? Didn't that option cross your mind?
Nigel, this is a much better value. And you will see in times to come, you will see the much better value.
But, just wanted to understand what exactly is the cash on your books right now, because you've bought this for about 250 crores cash. You had earlier announced an investment of almost 700 crores in the green tech business, etc. So currently, what's the cash on your books left after all these things that you're doing?
Right now, the cash on the books is 900 crores, and there's a working capital of 550 crores, which anyway remains. And as you know, we have announced a demerger. So the HEG graphite business will remain debt-free. And the other company, GreenTech, which will have accruals from the power businesses, etc. So both of these companies, after demerger, will have a healthy, balance sheet, and there should not be more debt, as we'll depend on our internal accruals.
Working capital is 550 crores, what you said, right?
Yes, that's right. And 900 crore on investment.
So you had around 350 crores, and out of that you spent 250 crores.
This is after that 250.
After the 250. Okay, so you're still net cash of more than 300 crores even after this investment, right?
Yes, yes.
Will you bargain for a both seat in this, or it's a purely financial investment that you've made?
See, right now it's a financial investment. The board seat was never the target, but yes, we'll see in future what happens.
Okay, all right. What about guidance for FY25? Earlier you were guiding for, I think, around 75,000 tons of graphite electrode sales. Do you stick by that? And also margins you warned us. Q2, Q3 are going to be weak because pricing will still be depressed. Do you expect things to recover from Q3 onwards in terms of margins?
Well, the first half, we are already at an 80% level. So for the year, I think 75%, 75,000 tons is definitely possible. And we expect that our H2 should be similar or better than H1.
There was another big competitor who went ahead and increased prices, just a short while back, Resonac. They increased pricing by, I think, close to around 20%. And they have nearly 25-30% of the global market. So have you increased prices effective October?
The market, they have announced the price increase, and now it depends on the market if that pricing holds. But definitely, it is a positive sign, which the 30% capacity maker has announced an increase, and if other big guys follow suit, then the pricing will hold.
The question is to you, sir. Do you think you will increase the prices, and will the market accept that?
Right now, the market is not conducive, but anyway, we are just, waiting for the right moment to, start increasing the prices.
All right. Got it. Mr. Gulati, we're going to let you go today, but we have a date post your Q2 numbers. And at that point of time, we'll try to press you more on numbers and the outlook for the second half of the year. Always a pleasure talking to you. Thanks a lot for joining, and congratulations on this GrafTech acquisition of 8%. You seem to be making money for now, and you're optimistic on the prospects of the sector.
Thank you, Nigel. Thank you.
Well, on that note, though, I think we can wrap up on the show. I'll tell you what, we'll slip into a short break, come back, we'll continue to focus on markets. Don't go anywhere.